Hi, I'm Wendy and I'm at Haliburton School of Art and Design, and I'm here to give you a tour of our campus. And so let me take you through the iconic red doors. So the first place I want to show you is the Great Hall. And right now we have a performance going on, but this is where everything happens. So we have lunches here, we have like events like musicians coming in, we have an exhibition at the moment, and any fun activities like felting or gingerbread houses, like that's just where everything happens. And I almost forgot, down this wing and this wing is where our studios are, but you don't need to hear that from me. Cut to the highlights. Hey Zach, I'm doing a tour of the campus. Tell me something about the Center for Making.
Of course, this is a place where you can let your creativity run wild.
Cut to the highlights. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oops, sorry, I had to work for a moment at the campus store. The campus store has absolutely everything you would ever need as a student here at Fleming College. I'm just going to close up so we can continue the tour. Let's go. Okay. Next, I'm going to take you to the new Indigenous space on campus. Let's go. Here we are. Big shout out to Jarrett Tate for creating this mural. Steps away from campus is the renowned Haliburton Sculpture Forest. Let me tell you a little bit about it. The unique outdoor collection of sculptures are by Canadian and international artists. You can explore the forest trails in each of the seasons, walk and bike in spring, summer, and fall, and walk, snowshoe, and more in the winter. A visit to the Sculpture Forest is a hands-on interactive experience. As you can see, there's inspiration everywhere. We can't wait for you to join the Fleming community and see how you apply yourself here.